Last video got cut off. Water, beautiful streams, and someone made a bridge. It's so peaceful back here. Wow. It's like, I don't know. It's like nothing exists over here. Except amphibians, apparently. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, no. I lost him. It's like there's no worries. Just the world stops when you're here. Like mushrooms. I love nature. Always take the path forgotten. You never know what you'll find. Okay, let's see. Oh! Oh! Bugs. Oh, look at that. It goes that way. It's another stream. Wow, this must be beautiful right after rain. Oh, look. And that is how we come out of this little trail. Back in the woods. But even when you leave the trail and you go back to reality,